Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to find your downloads on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to check where your downloads are being saved. Is it on your iPhone or iCloud? To do this, head over to your Settings app. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Then, select Safari and scroll down to the Downloads, tap on it. Here, you'll see where your downloads are being saved, either on your iPhone or iCloud. Now, let's go back and open up the Files app. Tap on Browse, and then select on my iPhone if you've chosen to save your downloads on your device. If you've selected iCloud, you can head over to the iCloud Drive instead. Once you're in, look for the Downloads folder. It's where all your downloaded files will be waiting for you. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful in finding your downloads on your iPhone. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.